Hey, it's fabulous 50s time. We have a 1957 Ford Fairlane 500, beautiful car, frame off restored, loaded with options. It has the dual quads under the hood, factory air conditioning, power steering, upgraded with power disc brakes, all the accessories, continental kit, even power windows, power seat, padded dash. The list goes on and on. Spotlights. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a monthly payment and the price tag attached. If you scan the QR code, it'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. There's about 5,000 miles on this frame-off restoration. Beautiful flame red with the black. I'm looking at an absolute red mirror right here. This hood is absolutely straight. So is the fenders. Lines up nice and square. Looking down the side of the car, look at a big flat black panel, and it is laser straight. The body is clean all the way down the bottom corners of the door are dry and clean, real nice, absolutely mint. Doors open real nicely, jambs were painted nicely. Shuts like a new car, has the fender skirts, tail fins coming off the back here, and all this big giant slabs of metal are straight and clean. Bottom corners of the trunk. There's a little chip right there, a couple chips I noticed here and there, but no crackling, no bubbling. This is all fantastic. Another chip right here on the edge. All of this, look at that. It's a mirror. You can read a book in the reflection. All nice, not bubbled, not cracked, nice straight edges. Again, a couple little nicks on the edge of the door. Shuts like a new car. The body is amazing on this car. It's very, very impressive body. And that two-tone color is beautiful, and it is polished like glass. The paint's gorgeous. Now let's talk about all the trim. When they restored it, they replaced the hood ornament. It has the V bar in front, the bumper guards, that's optional. And the grille and all of this looks like it was redone when they restored the car. The dual spotlights with mirrors, you can control them from inside the car. They look to be original, so they have some patina on the chrome. The moldings down the side with that gold anodized trim, that's all been replaced. It's a factory air car, so it has the air conditioning medallion here. Air was a big deal back then. Most homes didn't have air. To get air in a convertible, it was worthy of getting its own chrome nameplate. The windshield and gasket was replaced. The door handle, the rocker moldings with the stone shield, that's a couple of options there. The fender skirts we talked about. The rear mounted antenna, which looks really cool as a factory option. The Continental kit with the swim platform. The dual exhaust tips here, those are factory options right there. Then the metal cover over the Continental kit is an option. And everything is looking real nice. Fairlane 500. It has a stock set of hubcaps in really nice shape, and it's wearing Goodyear whitewall radial tires. I don't know why I said Goodyear. I think they're Coker, but they look to be in excellent shape. So that's the outside of the car. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely loaded with options. Let's continue inside. I think reverse lights were an option too. You got the Continental kit, you just pull the lever, it swings out of the way, and then you have access to your trunk, which is completely refinished, all painted real nice. The latch mechanism was replaced as the liner kit with the side panels and the plaid mat. Reproduction tire on a painted rim, the complete jack assembly, the well liner was replaced. And it also has a tire in the spare, so come with 6 tires with this car. So nice, clean, complete, and really big trunk compartment. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. I didn't mention the top. It's a power top, completely restored. It was upgraded with black cloth canvas. There's pictures on our website on the top frame and the weather strips. That was all redone. I said earlier, jambs are slick. Weather strips were replaced. Complete reproduction interior, so it has the red with the silver like foil, I'll call it. in the white, and you see power window switches. Those are factory. It's all in real nice shape. Padded dash, otherwise they're just painted metal. That's an option. It fits real nicely. You got the handle here for the spotlight. The speedometer lens has a little bit of crackling. Looks original. 5,600 miles on the restoration. A lot of this is original, but very good. There's a factory air-conditioned car. Here's the air conditioning control panel. And look where the air comes out. It comes out this vent here. I think that's pretty cool. Then it has a town and country radio. It has an interior light. I think that's an option. Oh, I didn't even tell you, this is a manual 3-speed with the overdrive. With the dual quads, that's a muscle car. Quartz movement in the clock. I don't think I've ever looked in here. Nice clean glove box. So the welting and the kick panels are good. The carpet's all real good. And then the upholstery itself, cushion feels nice. They must have re-cushioned the seat, reupholstered in the reproduction, correct stuff. Same thing back here, nice carpet, nice upholstery, nice side panels, power windows. The seat is powered too, by the way. So you got some nice options inside the car. You got padded visors. This one here does have a crack in it. Someone must have squeezed on it or something. And I think this is a day and night mirror. The steering wheel looks like it was repainted. Yep, nice interior. Some nice features, nice colors. Car's a nice 8 out of a 10, but I tell you what, it's straight, clean. So this is the dual quad setup. It's a correct factory setup. The intake, the air cleaner, the carburetors, the choke tubes. It was added to this car, so originally a 4-barrel car. Another thing that was upgraded was the power brake system. It has a dual reservoir, which is much safer than the single, so that's modernized. Factory power steering. It even has the right fuel filter for the dual quads. The air conditioning is factory. And then everything in here was restored. Nice raw fiberglass. You got the stickers that the factory would have put on it. Everything's painted and run nice and neatly. Yeah, the wiper motor, everything in here just looks really nice and clean. I know what I wanted to show you, the finned valve covers. They say Thunderbird because this is the Thunderbird special motor. It's a 312 making 270 horsepower. Michael's going to demonstrate the car for you. We'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. Beautiful Fairlane here, Cruise. Got the top down. We're going to have ourselves a nice little time. 312 V8 with dual quads under the hood. Amazing. 3-speed manual with the overdrive. Lots of power options, including the power top, power seat, power windows, power steering. And I am a big time fan of these dual spotlight mirrors. It looks so cool. All right, let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. She pulls quite a bit of power. Feel those dual quads opening up, man. She just goes. All that on top of being just a beautiful luxury cruiser. Really liking this ride. A lot of fun going to your local car shows, and well, I even took it around the block once, and I got a thumbs up. Not even by the gas station over here. So. Real head turner, and just a heck of a lot of fun. Come on and test drive it for yourself if you don't take my word for it. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So like I said, body off the frame restored. The floor pans in this car are all clean metal. They're actually painted gloss black. That's how nice they are. At the time, all the suspension and steering was redone. When they upgraded the power brakes, they also upgraded it to disc brakes in the front. Still drum and back. Fuel system was replaced when they restored the car. The dual exhaust system with those tips coming out the back, that's a factory option. You look up at the motor, it's all nice and clean. Now the transmission was completely rebuilt and the overdrive solenoid was rebuilt, so it's a 3-speed overdrive and it's functional. In back is a 373 Posi. So this was a 1957 muscle car. Dual quads, 3-speed, Posi rear end. But I bought it because it's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. I love the cars from the 50s. They have such style. Park this next to anything today. And wow, what a difference. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how to get your 57 Ford delivered home. If you need financing, we can help with that too. Thanks for watching.